I'm Jennifer and I'm so happy you're here because today is National Pizza Party Day and I'm hosting movie night. What a wonderful combination to have together. I'm having friends over and I'm prepared all day long to get ready, and we're going to be watching the movie Mickey Blue Eyes. It's one of my absolute favorites. I have always really liked this movie. The first time I saw it, I laughed so hard. I've seen it so many times and my friends have never seen it. So we're going to be watching that movie tonight. And since it's an Italian movie, it's an Italian comedy, we're going to be having pizza. It'll be so nice, and I'm making Caesar salad and a very special peanut butter pie for dessert. It's a super easy recipe for the peanut butter pie. It only took me minutes to put it together. I'm going to show it to you and I'll have the recipe listed below so you can easily find it and make this wonderful, delicious peanut butter pie yourself. My friends should be here anytime. Oh, they're here now. For movie night tonight, we are making pizza. Alan and I bought pizzas and we're going to fix these up with some extra cheese and make them extra special. For dessert tonight, I'm going to be making a super easy peanut butter pie. All we need for this recipe is Cool Whip peanut butter, a pie crust, it's graham cracker, Reese's cups, some semi-sweet little mini chocolate chips, some powdered sugar, and some cream cheese. I'm going to put all these together, and in no time at all, we'll have a pie to put in the refrigerator to chill for tonight. I have set my cream cheese out at room temperature. If it still seems firm when you start to make your recipe, just put it in the microwave for about 10 to 12 seconds just to soften it. You don't want to warm it and heat up your recipe. So we're putting in the 8-ounce block of cream cheese, and now I have 1 cup of peanut butter here. This is just regular Jiffy creamy peanut butter. And now I have 1 cup of powdered sugar. I'm just going to pour this in. We are going to whip these 3 ingredients together until they're smooth and creamy. Now that this is all mixed up smooth and creamy, we're going to start folding in our Cool Whip. Just go ahead and put your Cool Whip in and then cut right down through the middle with a big soft spatula and lift it from underneath and just fold it right over the top. And just keep folding and turning just like this. You can turn your bowl around, lifting and folding. You don't want to start whipping it up really fast because you don't want to deflate your Cool Whip and make your pie thin and heavy. This will keep it nice and fluffy. And just keep turning until everything is mixed in and you no longer see all of the white of the Cool Whip. And now it's all mixed up. It looks like a beautiful sandy colored cream. I have our pie crust here all ready to go. This is just a Keebler graham cracker crust that I purchased at Walmart. Once you put the filling in, just smooth it around and make it as nice and smooth as possible. And spread it right to that top edge. I have about 1/4 cup of peanut butter. I put in a little microwave safe bowl and I'm going to warm this in the microwave to melt it. This is going to be a delicious drizzle to pour across the top of our pie. I put the peanut butter in the microwave for 2 consecutive 8-second cycles. Now here comes the fun part. We're just going to pick this up with our spatula or rubber spoon and we're just going to drizzle it right across the top of the pie. This doesn't have to be perfect. We're going to cover this with mini chocolate chips and peanut butter cups. Once this pie is chilled, this is going to be really, really nice and delicious right on top of the pie. It adds a whole nother texture and really good peanut butter flavor. Before the drizzled peanut butter sets up, I'm just going to take right out of the bag with a metal spoon some mini chocolate chips and just put these right over the top. They'll stick right in this soft, gooey peanut butter, and this will help hold them in place. The chocolate really adds a whole nother depth of flavor that makes this peanut butter pie extra delicious. You can use dark chocolate, milk chocolate, semi-sweet. I'm using a semi-sweet little mini chip. Now we'll go a step further and dress up the top of our pie with these peanut butter cups. And here is our pie. In no time at all, we put together this wonderful, delicious, beautiful peanut butter pie. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. We want to chill this at least 2 to 2.5 hours before serving it to friends. I'm going to get all of these dishes washed up and then we'll get on to the decorating. I'm taking all of these really cute little signs and I'm just putting a little piece of Scotch tape on the back, just some clear tape, and then I'll stick these right up in my kitchen. right where I'm going to be serving the snacks. Moving on into the dining room, I'm using this red and white tablecloth. This totally reminds me of a pizzeria. It reminds me of a restaurant my husband and I went to with some friends before we went to a movie. I'm going to be using these signs in here on the table. I'll put this one right in the center, and there we have it. Just that easy. Our table is decorated. Now I'll get the plates and napkins. I'll just add a couple more stars to the table to tie everything together. A couple more stars in the kitchen will be an extra special touch. This is where we're going to be serving the pizza, and I have the plates right here. We'll be serving the pizza buffet style so everyone can get exactly what they want. Here's what the decorations look like in the kitchen. It adds some color and fun to our movie night. It only took minutes to set out these decorations. I'll finish setting the table. I have a really large bowl to put the Caesar salad kit in and some salad tongs. I went to the grocery and picked up so many different things so that I could make a dessert charcuterie board. This is a nice snack board that I made to go along with the movie. I'm going to put out some little dishes so that my friends can easily get a little scoop and scoop up some of these snacks. I need to get myself ready for the evening. I'll get my makeup put on and then pick out something to wear. So today is National Pizza Party Day, and since we're watching an Italian movie, it'll be perfect to combine the two, movie night and pizza. We are getting the pizzas ready. We picked up these pizzas at Walmart because we've tried them before and they're really good. This one has all sorts of different meat on it. It has some sausage, a couple of different kinds, and pepperoni. And we have bought extra pepperoni, and we'll also add more cheese if we think it needs some. We purchased this one, it's a regular crust, and then we got this one that's a thin crust. And here's our pie ready in the refrigerator. It's nice and cold. It'll be perfect after the movie. Alan is chopping up some green chilies. We processed these last fall, and we love green chilies on the pizza. Our friends do too. It'll be a really great touch. This will be so good and tasty. This is a salad kit I'd love to get when I have friends over for any type of an Italian meal. This Caesar salad kit is great, and this is the family size. It comes with the croutons and the dressing and even pepper and cheese. This Parmesan cheese makes it extra special.
Tell me we can do this together.
Our friends just went home for the pizza party and movie night. Alan and I had so much fun. I think I enjoyed the movie more than anyone else because it's my favorite. I laughed so hard and I knew every line by heart. It was really funny and we had such a great time. I really appreciate you being here, and I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.